as time goes by with you. As time goes by with you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the weekly vlog. I am in the middle catching up with 7 worlds, 1 planet. I knew it was 7 and I knew it was a 1. It's really good. It's on BBC One and it's all about the world and all the animals in it and things like that. Back from work and Ella is still with mum, so she'll be coming over in a minute, and then I'm back out to go get Miles. Basically Mondays are just all over the place at the minute, and then I've got Summer again. So I'm just in and out, in and out, in and out. I got to do an early dinner as well, and I'm thinking about doing one of them oldie Chinese stir fries. They are so tasty, but Ash normally cooks them, so it's gonna be my first time cooking it, so we'll see how that goes a bit later. Keep him warm. I'm super chilly. We're on homework on the couch tonight, so he's loving that. We are on mathletics. And on it, basically, it goes through the whole of the year curriculum and asks them loads of maths questions. And also, if you get so many points, you actually get a certificate from the school, which is really cool. So we're on the hunt.
They have to print it to get it.
They do. And we have got 1 silver so far, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we're hoping for a gold soon.
I want a gold every single day.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I'm going to have to get more than we're supposed to get.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi guys, back from work today, and I've got an hour until I have to go pick up the kids. But I noticed I have a hole in my boot. Yeah, I don't have time to go and buy any more, and tomorrow is supposed to be like horrendous weather, so I'm on super gluing. How fun is that? That is not what you want to be doing when you finish work, but here we go. I've got no other choice. Tomorrow's supposed to be extremely heavy rain, so no matter what I do, I'm gonna be wearing these boots anyway. Hole or no hole. So tonight is bonfire night, and guess who forgot it was bonfire night? Oh yeah, me. I'm hoping that the kids won't remember, but I reckon they'll say something later when all the fireworks starts. I mean, I have sparklers in the cupboard from last year, but do I use them or do I just pretend that we haven't got any and someone's just having a party or something outside? I don't know. I'm a bit on the edge of what to do, really. I think that was a pretty good job. That was Poundland super glue. Oh my goodness, it is a lot later. Look how many baubles I've done. This is crazy. That's just cat and dog ones. I still haven't finished first house, first wedding. I'm knackered. But that's like a good 20 baubles right there.
Chips and ketchup.
Miles has just told me that for dinner at Nana's, he had sausage, bacon, pasta and eggs. Now, Nana, what are you feeding him? Right, Ella is so excited. She wanted to show you. Look, the fireworks are outside her window. Do you love it? We've decided to brave the cold and do some sparklers, so that's exciting. I'm not sure if the kids have even done sparklers before. Do you know when you're just not 100% on something? I feel like Miles has. But when Ash asked, do you want to do it? They were like, huh? Like, what? What are you talking about? So, we're getting coats on now, and then we're going out in the cold.
Whoa!
Woohoo! You draw your name?
Oh, yeah.
And a circle? Oh, yeah. Keep still. There we go.
Why is the fire dropping on the floor? It's like a secret one. And a zoo.
A Spellianus.
Wow.
Right, I'm back from work, picked Miles up, we're all home, and I'm having a slight panic attack. I can't find my bank card anywhere. And I feel like it's in the house. I remember putting it on the side because I was emptying my coat out. Ella started playing with that. I grabbed it off her and said, no, I need that, Mummy needs to keep that safe. Walked out the kitchen and then my memory is like blank. I can't remember what I've done with it or where it's gone. I'm just praying that it's not in the recycling because that went last week. So, no, I must have used it before then. Just dropped Miles off and we still have our pumpkins. So, I saw something online yesterday saying that squirrels and wildlife like to actually eat the pumpkins. So I've just put one in the back garden where our little hole is. I filled a plate, like a tub thing, full of dog food last week, and it ate it, all of it, in one night. So I'm thinking it's either a hedgehog because the hole is only like this big. So I've put the one of the smaller pumpkins out there now just to see if anything does eat it, and if it doesn't I'll just bin it like the other ones anyway. So we shall see how that goes, but that'll be really cool if something actually eats it, won't it? If there's a little hedgehog in the garden.
Yeah!
Late response, but we got there. Good morning. I've literally just sneezed. I was trying to see if I could see how the pumpkin's doing, but you can't see from here, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna have to put my boots on and go out in a minute and see how that's doing, because I really know if we've got a hedgehog or something out there. There's like a little burrow, like I think it's living under our decking, whatever it is. It's about this big. I think I said this in the vlog today, yesterday anyway, but it's about this big, and every time I put the grass in the way, it like burrows through more grass, so you can tell that it's like living in there. I've had a look and I can't see anything in the decking, but it's definitely in there. I mean, our decking's huge, so it could be at any point of the decking. Oh, these decorations make me feel so Christmassy. I'm sat next to all the boxes ready to go because we took everything out the loft when we did the Halloween stuff. So, so frustrating. Ash is so grumpy. He's Mr. Scrooge this year. Everybody on YouTube is already getting all their Christmas stuff out, so I'm feeling left behind. Right, today I'm doing a cleaning video, so that'll be exciting because I know how much you all love speed cleaning videos, and I want to get the house ready before the decorations go up. So I want to dust everywhere, I want to wipe down all the surfaces, and then next week the decorations are going up, so that's really, really, really exciting. I can't wait. What is the date next week? 17th. Put it in your diaries. My decorations will be going up. Oh! Kind of forgot Grandad was coming this morning, so I've got my new mirror up there and we're just working on the shelves over here. It's very exciting.
No, it's the wrong way, Lottie.
Oh, wrong way. Right, all finished. Excuse the mess. I'll be doing a speed cleaner later. In fact, I'm going to show you this way. So we've got our mirror up there. This was from Poundland. How good is that? Just adds a bit of something onto that wall. Then, hold on, I'll give you the full view of it. It's very exciting. Da 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 da! Da-da! How cute are they? They're the IKEA shelves. And then that's from my office. That's just the IKEA hanging plant. That was £6. And then these were £1 something each. And it just brings a little something to that area because we've got two massive walls. What do you think, Ella? Is it good?
Yeah.
They're pretty, aren't they? No, thank you.
They like me.
It's very high, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop someone touch it. But also, I'm hoping my Christmas tree will go there this year, and then I can put some nice stuff on them shelves. But if not, Christmas tree will be over there, and then I can put nice stuff anyway.
Santa gave me a dolly.
Santa gave you dollies?
Yeah.
What? What's that face for?
I don't want a dolly.
You got hundreds of dollies. Guys, I've just finished my cleaning video. It's taken 4 hours. Going on 5 hours. Wait. No. 4 hours. Panic then. I was like, what? No, I can't count. So the kids are still at Nan's, which is brilliant because that made me literally blitz every single room and every single corner. So I'm really, really happy how it's turned out. I just want to sit down now. I'm knackered, I'm sweating, I've got a jumper on and the heating's just turned on. Oh my goodness. Right, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We are up and out today. Well, we had a lazy morning, but we're up and out now. Miles is being so cute. He's making his own YouTube videos about his Pokemon cards with Daddy. How cute. And yeah, I just had to show you that before he tidied it all away.
Need something in front of it.
Hi everybody.
Hang on, you're not recording. Yeah, you are recording.
Hi everybody. Today we're with my dad, and today we're showing you our cards that we got in the last episode.
Yeah.
Oh bless him, he's done a whole video, and the only thing that's wrong is Daddy drinking a cup of tea. Oh, I love him, he's so cute. I was nearly crying. Oh, it was really funny and so cute at the same time. I think he's so proud of himself that he's done his first video. I mean, it's not going to go on YouTube because he hasn't got a channel or anything, but he just wants to make it for himself so he can have a look at the cards and stuff over and over again. He's so cute. Today we're just going into town because I need some stuff for a video that I'm going to be filming. We are watching Waffle the doggy with breakfast, aren't we? You love Waffle. So we're gonna go get the stuff from town, and then I think we're gonna take the kids. But it depends if the weather stays dry or not, because it's been absolutely horrendous this morning, but this afternoon is supposed to be dry, so fingers crossed for us. We've arrived in Living Coast and it is freezing. It's starting to rain and everything. We've just missed the penguin feed. What are the chances of that? Never mind. We're on to the top now. There's a talky flower here. They're on the run.
Otter Miles.
Hello, Otter Miles. Oh, he's looking for you in the window. So lucky that we get a pass for here, so we don't actually have to pay for it. It's like linked with our zoo pass, because you go around it in about 20 minutes max. So it's just nice for kids to just be able to run a bit instead of having to hold our hands around town the whole time. Go on then, see if you can catch one. Oh, you got the treasure. You're gonna make it really beautiful.
I'm gonna make my name on yellow.
So this bit that we're in at the minute, the kids actually draw and colour in their little fish or creature, and then you scan it in here and it comes on the screen, and like it's like a fish tank sort of thing, and the animal that you choose has your drawing all over it, which is really, really cool. It's a nice interactive screen. Here we go. Oh, that was fast.
Where is it?
Here he comes. Oh,
There.
yay!
Can I take it?
Hello, Mr. Miles.
My hand. I'm gonna make another one of them.
Oh, ready? Here comes Ella Stingray. Woo!
Take it out.
We got a little friend over for a visit. This is Peppa. Say hi, Peppa. Say hi, vlog.
Come deep.
Hey, yo. It's really hard to see you. Ooh, hello. Peppa, what are you doing? She looks so scared right now. She's like, what is going on? What happened then? Our friends have just left. It's 11 o'clock. I'm knackered, but we need to have a game of Call of Duty before we go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you again for the next one. Bye!